spoiler alert, we got our whole security deposit back. Hello everybody, this is Danai, and in today's video we are going to revamp one of my older videos, which is the moving to another country time packing guide. Why am I revamping it? Because it is one of my early videos in this channel and I did not like how I did it, so I would like to revamp it. Third time that I'm saying this word. So I would like to make it again and explain a little bit more, basically just make it better. I am going to use some footage from that video, not because I'm lazy, no, but I have moved already, so I cannot take new footage, so I'm gonna use the ones from my old video. Let's start with 2 months before the move. Start with the papers. And in my occasion was the endless photo albums. As you can see from the wall behind me, I love printing out pictures. These are actually analog pictures, but in general I print out also digital copies of my pictures, certain ones that I love, and I've had so many since like 2011. I move them with me to wherever I'm moving because it makes me have some connection with the people, so I have many photos and photo albums. Anyway, you sort through your papers, your notebooks, your books, your student notes if you have any, important papers like paychecks, bills, bank statements. Remember to tear those. Month and a half before the move, pack all the clothes. Decide which ones you want to keep, sell, donate, recycle. And you're gonna have to make a lot of hard decisions. I can help you with that with my How to Declutter video. I will link it in the description box or put a card somewhere around here. This video might help you make these decisions as to which items you really love and you really cannot do without and you really want to have in your life. Whereas a Forever 21 sweater you can buy again at any point. Which was an example for my case. Like, I had to leave one of my favorite Forever 21 sweaters because I thought, okay, I have this vintage sweater that my grandma gave me and I love, and I have this Forever 21 sweater that I really love, but it is a Forever 21 sweater and I can buy another one. Around that time, start selling your clothes, because this is gonna take a little bit of time. Selling your clothes, you don't want to leave that for the last minute. I also have a bonus mini tutorial. Start with washing and ironing the clothes because you want to make them ready to sell. What are you disgusting? You want to give it in its best condition to the person that is buying from you. And third, it looks nicer in the pictures. Next step is taking the pictures of the clothes. Side tip, there is a higher chance of selling the clothes if you are modeling them. It's like turning the pages in a catalog. Like, you see the clothes on the models and you're like, you can imagine yourself wearing the item. So it is good to include one picture of you wearing that item. Select and edit the pictures that you want to upload, but be careful. Do not edit the colors, just the size of the pictures, because you want the pictures to be as truthful as possible so that the customer can really understand what color the item is. Upload with nice captions and tags, and the clothes that you didn't end up selling, you can donate them so that they find a new home. 1 month before the move, start packing. Trust me, you're going to make so many adjustments in that suitcase. You need to start packing early. Up until the last minute, you're going to be making adjustments to that suitcase and the things that you took and taking things out and putting things in. So yes, you'd better start early. You can check my How to Pack Like a Pro video, second unshamed promo of my own videos. Yes, that is the truth. That is what's happening right now. 2 weeks before the move, upload your belongings to online second-hand shops like Craigslist, Willhaben, Resevkeria, sites like these. And remember to mention the date that you want the sale to happen. For example, you can leave the fridge for the last day of your stay in your house. 1 week before the move, pack the rest of the house, like your kitchen or your bathroom. You can either give your things to friends and family if they want any of your belongings, or donate the rest. Also, around that time, you can start cleaning the house thoroughly and repair holes on the walls and in general tackle other security deposit issues. What I'm suggesting is what we did with my roommate. We arranged the screening appointment with our management team. In the middle of our last week in the house, we had our manager coming to the house and checking and doing this screening so that he could tell us things that we can repair or what other adjustments that we would have to make and get as much of our security deposit back as possible. And spoiler alert, we got our whole security deposit back. Day prior to the move, clean the apartment again one last time and give the keys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below if any of these was helpful or where you are going to move next. And I would be happy to hear your thoughts on the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Why did I do this? Have a wonderful day. Bye.